Hello everyone. As you can want, I decided to doing video on English sub because my last videos on Turkish language. Now I will be show you about the tier gear, how you can get, how you can rise, how you can handle it. First of all, I will talk about tier place. Now the parts related to tier are actually given for free in the game. Of course, this is a situation specific to new servers. For this you come to event from the top left screen side and come to festival. Also select fearless submit. You may taken this already, but if you check their Excidian gear material, you may see. Before in the event, look at the top. When you say minus, there is 20 in the box on the right. You take this, then you come to the inventory. The inventory, there is a set on the right side. Of the inventory, you came to the set, it gives you these parts on the fearless submit, and so additional the auxiliary parts also gives you the basic parts, and from here you say exchange. You have to be level 60 to wear them. If you are not 60, you can't buy or dislike this, and you can't wear it. But let's say you bought it, so you still cannot wear it if you are not 60. After reaching 60, you can wear them. Again, fearless submit gives you the other two and the other three in the same way. You can wear them at level 70 and at level 60. Let's check it out. Come to fearless submit and check this box. Yeah, we found it. Palanoid Gear Tiap Pack. When you come to set again, tier 2. This is the Palonate. When you open the Palonate box, you get this piece. But in the tier 2 doing, you can't use the exchange. You should be use the tier 1 upgrade. After tier 1, for every tier, you should be used upgrade place. Except for tier 1, we do all of them from upgrade. You only do tier 1 from exchange. Just. Now the important things. Here is you have chosen your class. Is there. On the left side. Look, I'm open it here because this char is on the battle mage class. Overlaps the body. But if you are a different class, you should be select to there. Be careful to there. When you open up this page, if you do directly the exchange, it will be wrong. And if you taken the wrong them, here You should be dismantle the items broken there and do it again. So confusing pace. Be careful about selection your class to left side. After finding it correctly, your class, make your exchange. Just for tier 1. Do exchange. But after rising tier 2, you should be use upgrade for every piece. Do it again on the tier 3. You are not using the exchange, you should be use take upgrade. You should be following the way upgrade on. In this way, the game gives it up to tier 3 for free and you can do it right way. I did it up to tier 3. Look it out. On my set, now tier 3 and tier 3 buffs. This is not tainted. I will be go on the tier 4 rising. For tier 4 rising, I need the main parts and the other parts. Spiritual, reverse spiritual jade. You should be find it on the shops. Look at there. This is the event. Click on the page, your inventory. Click it and it's open the shops short way. You came up the Felix shops. Here is the part. Show up. Reverse spiritual jade. I need this. Also I need this too. About the exchange spiritual jade. Where can I find the Black Dragon permit? 2 places you get this. Let I show you. You can find this Black Dragon permit in the dungeon, right side, rain tip. Rain tip on the left side, when you click it, you may see that there Black Dragon permit. One of dungeon dropped the 10 pieces. 10 pieces there, 10 pieces there, plus 10, 10. You have 20 pieces daily on this dungeon. The second way you should be get on the guild dungeon or guild raid. These are drop minimum 80 piece of Black Dragon permit or 300, 360 piece of trouble. The best way is guild dungeon or guild train. Whenever you see on there cross server chats or word chat, click and join the guild dungeons. Is it your guild or another guild? There is nothing too different. If you may in this guild raid, you should be get Black Dragon permits. Okay. In the shop, I come to Felix again. Here the one of part he wants for Theodore is directly in front of us. Reverse spiritual jade. We can buy it. Buy it to there if you get already Black Dragon permit. About the main pieces for tier 4, you should become to there, left underside, the hair. It is the tier 4 pieces. Hand pieces, shoulder, feet. You need again Black Dragon permit and adventure heart. You should be take the adventure heart every 13 gold. 30, sorry. When you came up the shop, select the function. After you come to here, you will see 30 gold for adventure heart. If you get enough gold, you may exchange this part and going on to do tier 4 one by one. It's the same for TR5 and TR6, but it's not included in the Felix shop. Now we are looking about the high marshal element left side on the Felix. When you come here, it show already TR7 material, TR6 and TR5. You should be exchange the TR5 piece in there, or if you wanna be rise by step on the tainted, you should may exchange to here, or you should be rise it to TR5 directly here, or TR6 as like the here. When you come the TR6, it's change about the you getting. For 3 piece, feet, shoulder and hand, you should be get to handle it classic system. But the other 3 piece, you should be going this rate or buy it into the trade. When you come trade to side bit, if it is your own guild, drop to there after you doing that trades. But you may find it on the global action. Now we can't see any because no one's guild cannot reach the TR6 nowly. That's the all of about TRs and how you can rise. At the least, I will be shown about the TR7. TR7 is so news for all words about the Word of King. Let's show you TR7. It's rising about its classic. You should be get main parts and the similar parts like the also you should be get it the shop high marshal TR7 materials, but in there no black dragon permit. You should be going Dungeons TR7 or buy the trade. That's all of about the TRs. You can how to rise, how to wear, how to get. See you another clips. Thanks to listen. If I'm bad about the English, I'm pleased for you to everyone whoever listen. If you follow and like, I will be glad. Thank you.